How to change Google Play Store countries. Well, hello guys, if you want to change your country in Google Play Store, how you guys can do that? So it was very easy for that. You simply go to Google Play Store. Once you click here, now click on top right corner small profile pic. Once you click here, you see manage apps and device, payment and subscriptions. You simply click on payment and subscription. Once you click here, you guys will see payment methods. So simply click on payment methods. Once you click here, wait for some second. Here you guys will see more payment settings. So simply click on more payment setting. Here you guys will see activity payment methods. Also, you guys will see settings. So simply click on settings. Once you click here, you need to wait for some seconds. Here you guys will see payment profile to country region. So simply click on country region. Now here you guys will simply see create new profile. So simply click on create new profile. Once you click here you guys will see click on continue. Now wait for some second. Here select your country region. And after that click on continue and add the details and click on see. That's how you guys can change your country settings in Play Store. Thanks for watching.